Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is a new testnet, and this new testnet is just a day old. This testnet was launched or is launched on 28th of March 2025. So if you are seeing this video right now, you are very lucky to be among the first people that will start mining this project, and you accumulate more points. The name of this testnet is MonadScore. This MonadScore is a AI testnet that will give you close to $1,000 if you are consistent. You all know that to succeed in this airdrop, in this crypto space, you must be consistent. Once you are consistent, whether you have referral or no referral, you are going to get enough USD before the listing. So I'm going to drop the link in the video description. Use that link, join immediately. Join now that the project is early so that you will benefit. Do that right away. So what you're going to do is you click on the link. You can see connect wallet right here. Click on connect wallet. Now you click on, let me say, MetaMask. Can you see it's not going? So what you are going to do, once you want to do this kind of thing and it's not going, you have to copy the URL. Tap on this URL to copy it. Then click on copy. See copy here. Or for easy access, just copy the referral code. We are now going to Bitget wallet to paste this referral code or this URL that we just copy so that we can start mining or running the node. As well run this project, this MonadScore Testnet on any of the Web3 wallets. It can be Trust Wallet, can be MetaMask, it can be Bitget wallet. So any Web3 wallet of your choice, you can run this node there. Now you click on discovery right here. So we are going to paste that URL or the referral code that you copied. We are going to paste it here. Then paste. You can now click on search. Look at what is saying, no search results. So what you are going to do is to click on this link, tap on this arrow. Now you are going to click on, you are visiting third-party websites. Please be mindful, just click on enter. Redirecting you, we are redirecting, so you need to wait for it to redirect you. Then you will see the MonadScore Testnet Airdrop. So claiming, then the last thing to do is to retweet their post. Retweet this post, tap on do task, do the same thing. Then after that you will claim the reward. So if you come back to these three lines, you go to the dashboard. So once the other one claim finish, you can see the total earning. And right now the next thing to do is to start running node. Run node, tap on run node. You're going to click on signature. You put your password. You have to put your password. Signature info, submitting. Can you see what is going on? Node connected. I've connected and it's mining for me. Can you see it right here? It's mining for me automatically. So that is it for this project. This project is just like layer edge. Do not waste time. Start mining this project immediately. After 24 hours, you come back and start mining the node again. Not stressful. Start now that this project is early so that you accumulate MonadScore points before the TGE. So if you click back to this trailer, you now see your referral. You now see your referrals, and we have referral earning. We have the active referrals and the pending referrals. So that is it for this video. Link in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Also join my Twitter handle for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.